and so she could not concentrate on her studies also. And that night, she determined. What did she determine?
That she would never be quiet and she would always be with the one who is facing injustice.
Yeah, absolutely. And after she decided that, then only she could find herself little bit comfortable. And she had come to that, or she had reached an important conclusion after a long, long time of thinking, right? And she never wanted that anybody may be picked on by anyone. And if she finds anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak up. Immediately, she would speak up, and after that also, she could find herself in the dreams that somebody is trying to pick on uh, Wanda, and there she is saying stop. Such dreams also she used to have because of thinking about Wanda again and again, right? And it was just a day before Christmas, and everywhere the people were preparing and decorating. Maddie also took that blue color dress and brought it back to her room where she used to be. It was, I think, her bedroom, and there she mentions that it was a very good dress, and there the glory of her bedroom was added by that dress. But what happened then? Did she find something there in the photograph, or she could simply remember Wanda and she did not notice? Did she forget later Wanda, or do they meet again? These are the questions that we wanted to find the answers for. So here we are now on page number 79, right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right, dear students? Is it correct that we are done with page number 78 and so the last that I just read?
Yes.
She went home and she painted her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. The shadow room came alive for the brilliancy of the colors. What colors she is referring to? The colors of the dress or the design that she had made. Who? Wanda. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing, but Wanda had been nice to her anyway. And there, just looking at the drawing, she is spending her time, she is sitting on her bed and continuously looking at that drawing and remembering that it was not her fault at all because she had never said anything to Wanda. Rather, she had just been there standing and had been very nice to Wanda. Anyway, that way she is trying to, convince herself that it was not her fault at all. Then what happened? Tears blurred her eyes and she gazed for a long time at the picture. Then hastily she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. The colors in the dress were so vivid that she had scarcely noticed the face and head of the drawing. But it looked like her, Maddie. It really looked like her own mouth. When it really looked like her own self, Wanda had really drawn this for her. Excitedly, she ran over to Peggy. And dear students, that time you can imagine that the girl, Maddie here, sitting on her bed, continuously looking. Now the eyes were blurred and the tears were also blurred. Means she was weeping, remembering Wanda. She felt very much sad for that. And so the tears were rolling down on her cheek. But they also were blurred later because of gazing for a long time at the picture. And then actually she rubbed her eyes like and she found something in the picture. She noticed all of a sudden something in the picture and observed it very, very carefully. And there she could notice that the picture had a head, the face and the head of the drawing. There she could notice something. As it was a drawing of a dress, she could notice easily just above it or on the top of the paper. There she could notice a face and also a head. And who was it or whose was it looking like? It was exactly looking like her own, of Maddie's, her own. And she could easily notice her own face, her own mouth there in the picture. And then she realized herself that Wanda had really drawn that picture for her only. And noticing for herself in that picture, as she could realize that it was made purposely by Wanda for her only, for Wanda or for Maddie only, she wanted to know about Peggy also. If she could notice something in the picture of Peggy. And she excitedly and in a hurry ran to Peggy. And let's see then what she find there. Peg, she said, let me see your picture. What's the matter? Asked Peggy, as they clattered up to her room where Wanda's drawing was lying face down on the bed. Maddie carefully raised it. And Peggy was not much concerned. She simply took that, put it somewhere, and there Maddie came in a hurry and was excitedly asking for that picture that was given to Peggy by Wanda through the teacher. And there she turned it well properly towards her and raised it. And now observing that drawing, the design of the dress that was given to Peggy. And what did she notice there? Let's see. Look, she drew you, that's you, she exclaimed. And the head and face of this picture did look like Peggy. And there, as she could notice that the picture given to her, blue color, there she could notice herself. Maddie could notice herself in the picture, her own face that Wanda had drawn. And purposely, it was for Maddie only that she had made. And here, another picture, the red with trimming was given to Peggy. And after observing that, she could notice there that the face, the head, the mouth drawn in onto the picture was exactly matching with that of Peggy. And there they both were very much, pleased to see their own faces drawn onto the picture. And then what do they say? Let's see. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must have really liked us anyway. And here again, both of them are really happy. And with exclamation marks, you can understand that how they are surprised that their, understanding about Wanda was right. They knew that Wanda really liked them. And this is a proof, dear students, that yes, Wanda really liked them, Wanda really loved them, and she was never bothered about how many times they were asking her the question. But it happened to her father that he took it otherwise and wanted that his daughter should not be troubled again and again. And so they had finally shifted themselves from that small town to the big city. Then what about Maddie? What does it say? Yes, she must have, agreed Maddie. And she blinked away the tears that came every time she thought of Wanda, standing alone in that sunny spot in the schoolyard, looking stolidly over at the group of laughing girls after she had walked off, after she had said, sure, 100 of them, all lined up. And now Maddie also forgot everything about it. And there she is very happy and she remembers very well that girl all alone, a Polish girl named very strange Wanda Petronsky, standing all alone in that sunny spot in the schoolyard, looking stolidly over at the group of laughing girls. They were around her. And these were the only girls, no? Peggy, Maddie, and some others. And finally, she had walked off. And after she had said, she had answered them straight that yes, sure, she had 100 of them all lined up. And this way, we can understand Maddie also forgot all grief and all trouble that she had made for Wanda, according to her. But Wanda had completely forgiven them, and that was the reason that she drew their pictures onto the designs of dresses that she had prepared for the contest. And she had never misunderstood them, and she had never wanted that these girls are not in her favor. They, yes, am I audible, dear students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So understood how sensitive and emotional is the ending of the story. That the girl who was being troubled all the time had drawn their pictures in the drawing and finally had gifted those drawings to the girl. And so they felt very very happy and they really wanted to apologize her, but later realized that it was not needed at all because she never wanted that these girls are her enemy. Rather, she always liked them and she considered them her own friends all the time. Right? So let's just check your comprehension. Given here some questions. What did the girls write to Wanda?
May
Can
I
anyone
answer?
answer?
Sir,
May
may
I
I?
answer?
Yes. Yes, Anil, you can. Oh, sorry.
Sir,
This is Ayush More. Ayush, you are going to answer now here? Okay.
yeah, yes, sir. Sir, Maddie and Peggy wrote a friendly letter to the Wanda Petronsky, in which they intended to write an apology letter to her, but instead they end up writing a friendly letter, in which they asked her about her new hometown and the new school teacher. They also informed her about the contest, the drawing contest, and also praised her drawings. They also informed her about her winning of the contest. So they intended to apologize for the behavior towards Wanda, but they instead wrote a friendly letter. Uh, yes, sir, that's it.
Okay. Sure. Yeah.
So they even asked her, did she like her new school or even the new teacher? And
Very good. They also wanted to inform her that she had won the contest and she had really been a very pretty girl, very nice girl, right? And of course, they wanted to apologize for what they had done with Wanda, right?
Yes, sir.
Then the next is, did they get a reply? Who was more anxious for a reply? Peggy or Maddie? How do you know?
sir, sir,
Yes,
may I?
Sushi?
Sir, may I?
Okay, Gauri, you can.
Sure.
Uh, yes, they got a reply. In this concern, Maddie was more anxious for the reply because she was again and again thinking that they did very wrong with her, and she was having some feeling about Wanda. Whenever she remembered her, she began crying. So from this, we know that Maddie was more concerned.
Very good. Any additional?
She was also sad and didn't slept for many nights, and
Hmm.
they didn't receive a reply to them both, but they received a reply through their teacher.
Yes, good. Not directly, but indirectly, they got a reply. Good answer. Then the next question is, how did the girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her?
Sir, may I?
Park, can you hear? Park, children, can you
Yes, sir.
answer? The question is, how did the girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her? Yes, dear Parth, can you answer this question?
Sir, may I
Jan,
answer?
Janvi, can you? Janvi
Sir, may
Bhatia.
I try?
Okay, Arthur, you can.
The girls came to know that Wanda liked them even when Miss Mason gave them the green dress and red trim to Peggy, the blue one to Maddie. Later, when Maddie looked at the drawing very carefully, she realized that the dresses had a face and a head which looked like her own.
Good.
That is the way the girls knew that Wanda liked them, even though they had teased her.
Very good. Any more addition by anybody?
Sir,
Yes, Kushi?
the day when they got the dresses, Peggy was convinced on the same day that Wanda really likes them. But Maddie was
Yes.
still sad. But the day when Maddie studied the picture intently, she noticed that the head of the picture was same like her. So she also saw that of Peggy's, and that day she was also
Hmm.
convinced with the same.
Yes. So these things tell us that Wanda really liked Peggy and Maddie, even though they teased her. Right? Now the next question from thinking about the text. First question. Why do you think Wanda's family moved to a different city? Do you think
So shall I?
life
Shall I?
there was going to be different for their family? Yes, Anil, you
Shall I?
can.
So Wanda's family moved to different city because of a father felt bad about the bad behavior of the girls or Peggy of or Maddie towards Wanda.
Hmm. Do you think life there was going to be different for their family?
Yes, I think that
Yes, sir.
the life in the new city is going to be different for their family because uh, in the new city there will be no I mean there will be their strange names but no one will care.
Yes, there will be plenty of such strange or different names, and so people may not notice that her name, Wanda Patronski's name, was different. Right? Shreya, would you like to add something?
No, sir.
Ayush Mutha, Ayush Mutha, do you want to add something? Okay, next question. Maddie thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Was she right? What do you say?
So may I answer?
Sir, may I?
Okay,
Sir,
Ayush,
may
you
I?
can. Ayush Mutha.
Sir, yes, sir. Maddie was right, as her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing because her silence encouraged Peggy to tease her. A person who sees something wrong happening in front of him or her is as much as offender as a person commenting in the offense.
Good. So you can say that she was right, thinking that her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Right, dear students? Do you agree, everyone? Anybody want to add something to this?
No, sir, I agree.
Okay, good. The next question here is Peggy says, I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb. And look how she can draw. What led Peggy to believe? So, what led Peggy to believe that Wanda was dumb? Did she change her opinion later? This is the question. Viha, can you try? Have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
We have Akshi.
So shall I answer?
So shall I answer?
Okay, Sakshi. Sakshi, you can.
Wanda never replied to Peggy's mischievous and prank that she faced every day. So her face was usually behavior lead Peggy to think that was dumb. Wanda was dumb. Wanda even described the 100 dresses she said about that. But she always wore the same dress, old faded blue dress every day. But later Peggy changed her opinion after having looked on Wanda's sketches and beautiful
Good.
drawings.
Good attempt, dear Sakshi. Here I would like Harsh Bose Patel to say something. Harsh, can you add? Harsh, Devika, Purva, Reena,
No, sir.
Siddhi, Aditya, Om Nair, whoever's name I'm taking, they are leaving the meet. Aditya has joined back. Aditya, can you answer that question?
Sir, can you repeat the question? I will answer.
Good boy. Question is, Peggy says, I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb, and gee, look how she can draw. What led Peggy to believe that Wanda was dumb? And another part of the question is, did she change her opinion later?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. I will think and answer you.
Okay. Meanwhile, anybody wants to answer? Ayush More?
Sir, may I try?
Sir, may I answer?
Sir, can I?
Sir, may I answer?
Yes, Harsh. Harsh, you can.
Yes, sir. Sir, Peggy thinks that Wanda is dumb because whenever she teased her, Wanda always replied her calmly. And if there was any other person on the place of Wanda, she would have lost her temper by teasing of Peggy daily. So that is why Peggy thought that Wanda is dumb. That Wanda is dumb.
May I add on?
Sir, may
Sir,
I?
Yes,
may I add
Ayush,
on?
you can.
Sir, at the same time, Wanda also used to tell Peggy and Maddie about her 100 dresses, which were lined up in her closet. But she used to wear the same blue faded dress every day to the school. So this also made Peggy think about her dumb behavior. And
Here,
so the
dumb,
second
you
part,
don't take it literally meaning that she cannot speak. Here, dumb does not mean that she cannot speak, right?
yes, sir.
But she just wanted to convey that too dumb means they don't respond or they hesitate to speak. Okay? They can
Okay,
go
sir.
on tolerating or they are little, having not good common sense. Such people can be called dumb. That's what here Peggy wants to say in her sentence. Okay? So it's
Yes.
very simple to understand that what led Peggy to believe that Wanda was dumb. So what was the thing that led to Peggy believe that Wanda was dumb? Very first sentence. I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. And this is the thing made Peggy believe that Wanda was dumb. You know, Peggy thought that Wanda had not realized that they were making fun of her. And that's why she says that Wanda was too dumb. But her opinion changed later when she realized that she was not a dumb but was a very smart girl. Without saying anything, she never even talked about her skill and proved herself winning the contest. Right? So these are the two contrasting things given here. One that she is silent, but another she works hard and she is not as dumb. Peggy thought, but she is very smart, right? Some people are there. Two kinds of characters we can find. One, they don't do anything, but just go on saying, "I can do that, I can do this, I'm smart enough, doing this and that and that." You know, empty vessels makes more noise. That is a phrase or a proverb that is said in English. In Marathi it is said, "उथळ पाण्याला खळखळाट फार." किंवा रिकामा घडा आवाज फार करतो. Means doesn't know anything, but just going on saying, going on boasting that I can do this, I can do that, I know this and that. So such people are there, you know. And another kind, they know everything. They just observe and understand, and they adapt themselves to the situation. But they never wanted to show that they know everything. So people misunderstand these smart people as dumb. And there is third category, they're actually dumb. You know, whatever you say, they are not concerned, they are not bothered. You know, they may not like to respond you also. And neither they realize that you are making fun purposely or what. You know? So these three kinds of people, you should understand the differences. And the third category is meant to be said as dumb. Second, smart. And first, that doing nothing but just going on speaking. You know, understood, your students? Three kinds of personalities
Yes, sir.
and the
Yes, sir.
differences.
Yes,
So, what
sir.
do you think now here? Wanda is
She is smart.
She is smart.
Yes, sir. She is
She is
brilliant.
smart.
yes, yes. But what did Peggy think firstly that she is or she was?
Dumb.
She thought
Dumb.
that she was
Dumb.
dumb, very poor,
Yes,
and was shy.
very good. Now the fourth question: what important decision did Maddie make? Why did she have to think hard to do so?
Sir, can I try?
Sir, may I?
Yes, Aditya, you can.
Sir, Maddie realized that she was covered and it was not good to be in covered. Earlier, she was torn between her loyalty to Peggy and her sense of right or wrong. But after the Petronsky decision to leave the town, she was courage to fight for justice instead of suffering means the teasing of both the girls and make them means make them quiet, then they can't tease her again.
Good. Yes, Shreya, you can.
The important decision that Maddie took was that she would never be a mute spectator. When she would see something bad happening beside her or around her, she would always act and
Speak up.
stand, mm, stand there. Then she did not mind if she would lose the friendship of Peggy for doing
Yes,
something, and
very good.
then then she thought that now what was happening with Wanda, she would not let it happen with anyone else. And as she knew that now she couldn't make all the things right, and
Now, another part of the question: why did she have to think hard to do so? She thought very, very hard. You know, why was the need to think so much about it?
Sir, can I?
Yes, Aditya.
Sir, she also thought about the 100 glowing pictures which were all lined up in the classroom. She was feeling guilty of not having said anything when everybody else was teasing Wanda. It was her guilty that made her think very hard and arrive at the
Very
important
good.
decision.
Very good. All the time, she was feeling herself very, very guilty, and so she could not even concentrate on her studies. And that night, when she was gifted by Wanda, that made her think very much about it. You know why? Because if such a great person, such a smart girl like Wanda is being troubled by such other girls, then anybody can be troubled that way or some other way. And she did not want this thing happen again. And so she thought very much about, everything, every way. If she is going to lose Peggy's friendship, if she is going to, be the part of that or not. She thought about all the pros and cons, and then she finally reached the important decision that she would speak up then and there only if she noticed something going wrong. Right, dear students? And she did not want that thing repeatedly, coming in her mind that she was feeling guilty for Wanda because she could not do anything. And once only she wanted that she should take decision, and that will be the thing will make amend to what she had done with Wanda. And after all, we can say briefly to be precise that she wanted to make amends, right? That is the proper word you can
Yes, sir. Correct.
find. Good. The next is, why do you think Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of the dresses? Why are they surprised?
Sir, can I
When,
try?
sir, may
Sir, may I?
Tisha, you can?
when Maddie and Peggy wrote a letter to Wanda, she might have understood that their feelings behind their letter, and during the dresses game, she have observed both of them.
We will try to get answer as per the
Sir, may I?
part. There are two parts to this question. First part, why do you think Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of the dress? Firstly, answer this question.
Sir, may
Sir, may
Yes,
I?
Shreya, you can.
Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of the dresses as she had made those for them, and she understood their feelings. And as they were not teasing her or doing it purposely, they were not serious about it. So she gave them the dresses
Yes, good. Wanda
and
always
gifted.
liked them and she wanted to be their best friends, or she wanted to be their friends, one of the friends, but she could not when she was there. But finally, when she went away from there and received a letter from Wanda and Maddie, in which they wanted to apologize Wanda, Wanda also realized that yes, they have understood their fault and they deserve to be her friends. And before also, she had made those dresses for Maddie and Peggy only. And that time only she wanted to give them those two dresses, but she did not go to school again. And so, through the teacher, she finally gave those two dresses to Maddie and Peggy. But, dear students, these are the things that we can think and answer. But another way of writing this answer is, she was telling all the time, Maddie and Peggy, that she has 100 dresses, she has 100 dresses. And these two girls or other girls also were laughing at her, saying that they could not believe that she could have 100 dresses. And as a proof, she wanted that they should know that she was not right. Sorry, she was not wrong. She was not lying, but she was telling the truth. And of course, she had those dresses. And that can be another reason, dear students, that Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawing of the dresses. Right, dear
Sir,
students? Do you agree with another part of answer that I told?
Sir,
yes,
can I
sir.
try?
But
Yes,
sir, in the
Shreya?
examination means what we will write, which part?
Try to cover both the points. You know, if it is for 5 marks, you firstly mention that Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of the dresses because she had made those drawings of the dresses for both of them only, since we could notice, and they also noticed that their faces and the drawings of their mouths and heads were drawn onto the picture. Okay, this is one thing. Then you can mention that she also wanted to prove herself that she was not lying, but she really had those 100 dresses. And you can mention at last that because of this
But
reason,
sir, sir,
yes,
she proved that in the drawing competition that she had those 100 drawings and she was not lying. So
yes, yes, she proved, but she wanted especially these girls to realize that she was not the girl who was lying. She proved just by displaying there, but might be, these girls find some other way that she might not have prepared or made them. But especially when they drew their own faces there in onto the drawing, they had to believe that they were all made by Wanda alone.
yeah.
Because nobody else had ever seen these Maddie and Peggy with Wanda. But it was Wanda alone from her family who had noticed their faces and had drawn onto the papers. Try to cover with minimum words, maximum content from the text. It will help you score more marks. You know?
Yes,
Yes.
got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And of course, one more thing you can add that she wanted to be their friends. Whose friends? Maddie's and Peggy's. And just as a token of her love, you know, this way also you can mention. The content should be based on the text, but your ideas can be there in your answer, right? That is called meaning between the lines and your comprehension, your understanding.
Okay,
And
sir.
that is checked, dear students, especially in self-response based question. In self-response based question, never it is expected that you write as it is given in the text. Rather, it is always expected that you should write what you have understood out of it. Right? Good. Then the next part of the same question is, why are they surprised?
Sir, may I?
Can I try?
Yes, Aditya, you can.
Sir, they were surprised because they always made fun of her dresses and insulted her, but she had gifted them with those so beautiful designs of that dresses, means drawings. So they were
That
surprised.
they had already talked about,
Yes.
in the communication. They had mentioned these two dresses, especially blue and red, right? And they had made fun of her that you would be just looking like a Christmas tree in that dresses. Did she mention? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, but
Yes.
this doesn't seem to be right answer.
Sir,
Another
Sir,
may
may
answer
I
I am
add?
expecting.
Sir, may
Swastik, can you try?
Sir.
Swastik?
yes, sir. Sir, when she gave them drawings, they were surprised that she had drawn their faces on them, on the drawings, and they
Very good.
then
This is
after that they also realized that Wanda loved them. Then also they made fun of her.
good. Now combine answer of both the parts of this question together. Who can answer?
Sir,
Siddhi,
may
can you
I?
please? Gauri Khattare. Okay, Shreya. Shreya, you can.
Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of the dresses because she had already made those dresses for the both of them, and
Yes.
she what, sir?
Continue.
And okay, she had made the dresses for both of them, and she always loved them and wanted to be their friend. And she also wanted to prove herself that she had 100 dresses and never lied. And Maddie and Peggy both were surprised because when they realized that the dresses she had gifted them depicted their faces, and
Yes. Yes. Two things you can mention because they were surprised. The very first, that they teased her, and instead she had offered those two dresses to Maddie and Peggy only. You know, it may never happen. Na? If you trouble someone, in return, what do you expect? Can you expect that somebody whom you have troubled may give you any gift? Never. So this is the first thing that you can mention, that they were surprised because they teased her, but then also she gave them those two dresses, right? And another thing, that they were later surprised because they could notice their own faces, mouth, heads drawn onto the picture, right? So these were the two things you can mention. Anybody want to add something anymore? Kushi,
Yes, sir.
do you want to add something to this?
Sir, another reason of for Wanda to give them dresses would be to make them realize that if even if they were wrong in their behavior, but still Wanda didn't act like them and was rude, but instead she was very calm with them and again was trying to be friends with them instead of being rude with them.
Very good. You know, like in the thief story, we studied that Anil and Hari Singh, right? Anil realized that he was doing all kinds of robbery there, but he never showed neither through his behavior and never spoke a word also about it. And finally, Hari Singh only changed himself. The same way here we can say that, but these things are not to be mentioned in the exam, just as here Kushi mentioned, I'm telling you, Maddie and Peggy tried to trouble her, you know, asking those kinds of questions, but Wanda always listened to them carefully and answered them very calm and quiet, right? And this is another way that
Yes, sir.
she is showing that she never mind what they ask, but she always loved them and wanted them to be good with her all time. Now the next question here is, do you think Wanda really thought the girls were teasing her? Why or why not? Now this is the question. You need to
Yes,
think over an answer. Do you
sir,
think
may I?
Wanda really thought the girls were teasing her? Why or why
So
not?
may I?
Hmm.
sir.
Yes, Anil, you can.
Yes, sir. Yes, Wanda knew that girls were teasing her. She would have known that the children were intending to make fun of her. But even though of her poverty, and she might have, means we can say that, and they would have laughed at her, whatever she might have said. This could have been the reason for their behavior and everything whenever she answered the question.
Good attempt. Even Chetnaditya has tried to answer it well. Fine. Anybody else?
Sir,
Sir, may I?
So may I?
Yes, Sakshi, you can.
Wanda was aware of girls who teased her every day, but she remained calm. To keep them numb, she created a story and told that she have 100 dresses and 60 pair matching shoes in her closet. She taught them a lesson of life by drawing the 100 dresses, 100 beautiful dresses, and remain calm.
Good. Shreya?
I think that Fonda knew that the girls were teasing her, but as she wanted to teach them and tell them that she was not as they realized or they thought. Uh, so she proved herself by the winning the contest, And as she created a story by telling them that 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes, she told all the she explained all the things calmly and quietly, and uh, wanted to change those girls as and tell them that they were behaving wrong.
Very good. Kushi?
Yes, Wanda really thought that girls were teasing her, and because she realized that they were misbehaving with her by asking and troubling her by asking a lot of questions, but still Wanda was very calm and confident, and she answered all of their questions. And also, note which was written by Wanda's father, uh, it was mentioned in the note that she was teased. So, and but
Yes.
still
Very good. Anybody says that no, she did not really thought that the girls were teasing her? Anybody's answer like that? What do you say, dear students? Nobody? Okay, good. So yes, Wanda really thought that the girls were teasing her. So how can we say that Wanda really thought that the girls were teasing her? Because Wanda was not, in fact, a dumb girl that she could not realize that she was again and again asked the same question and she could not realize that she was being teased. But she realized and she understood that she was being teased, but she was a kind of understanding girl who never wanted to trouble others, but rather she preferred these girls, Peggy and Maddie, be her friends. And she knew that some or the other way, maybe it may take some time, but definitely once Wanda knew that she would prove herself, and then those girls themselves will be her friends and will automatically stop teasing her. Okay, so these are the things you can also mention there in your answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll just again go through the text and you please let me know wherever any difficulty you have found. Okay, you can just go through yourself or just try to understand what we have studied in part 1 or part 2. Any? Do you think there is something that you did not understand?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Now you think of this question number 6 as you can answer no. How can you think that this can be answer no, that Wanda really thought that the girls were teasing her. She did not realize. Can you say so? Try to think and prove some way. Do you find any clue anywhere in the text that she did not realize that the girls were teasing her? Except
Sir,
that she was all the time answering her confidently and being calm and quiet.
sir, by that means
Yes, Shreya?
she gifted them the both two dresses, and made the dresses were actually made for them. So we can from this we can say that she did not realize that they were teasing her.
No, no. If we say that Wanda really did not understand that they were teasing her, then it is proved that she was a dumb kind of girl. Because anybody, na, it's very simple. A normal person can easily understand if somebody is teasing or not. The way of their speaking, and of course they were laughing at her and going to her, asking again and again the same questions.
But sir, then
Wanda must have
you
realized.
asked now, so we have to find a clue. So there is no clue
Yes,
except
yes,
that.
yes, yes, right. Good. So then, there are only 5 minutes left for them. Let me know if there is any query, any doubt, so that we can discuss or end the session.
No, sir, no doubts.
So already I have shared with you, I think, one of the lessons from supplementary reader, the necklace. Have you
Yes,
read it?
necklace. Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes.
Then can we continue with that tomorrow in our session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please read it again and also listen to it as much as possible.
Sir,
It's
tomorrow
very
at what
interesting
time?
story. Same 9 to 10. What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Fine. Any more queries, doubts, something want to ask,
No,
something
sir.
want to share? Okay then. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Bye dear students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.